Hello unique divas, it's your girl Unique Nelo. Guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how I beaded my baby girl's graduation gown. Yes, she graduated from nursery school to primary school, and sincerely I really want to bead her clothes. I've been wanting to do that and I felt this was the opportunity. So let me show you how I achieved this design on her clothes. So guys, this is the cloth. I collected it from my tailor and I started the beading around 9 p.m. at night, and I said let me start up the beading. And this was actually a night to the D-Day. You understand? Tomorrow will be the D-Day. So I got this long chain applique and I used candle gum to gum it down like this. This applique, I got it from this rose design. I got the golden color in the market, and from the golden color I achieved this particular one you are seeing now. So I rubbed candle gum and attached it there because they said they want red and a touch of silver. So from the gold one I coined this silver one, so I produced this particular silver one myself. So I started using my chalk to mark it out by the side, and my reason for marking it out was to bead on it. Guys, this is not like a tutorial that will, you know how my tutorial used to be now, it's well explicit, but this was like just to show you how I achieved this. If you're interested in learning how to bead, please identify in the comment section, so I'll be posting my beading videos. You know, I've been posting tutorials on headgears and business talk. So if you love beading, please kindly send it on the comment section that you're interested in learning beading, so I will create a class for beading. If you want to learn how to bead on clothes, on caps, on hand fan, in fact, anything about beading, if you're interested in learning it, comment on the comment section, please. So I marked 10 inches from the tail of this handle. I first of all marked 10 inches. Then from that marked point, I started marking 2 inches gap. The reason why I marked 2 inches gap was to get a gap between the bead, because I will still bead butterfly on this handle. You understand? Yes. So I got after marking 2 inches gap, I got this bead. They call it butterfly bead in the market. It's already made. So I bought it like this from the market and I started beading. You understand? So I used my 9 inches needle, beading needle, with normal thread. So my thread was just 2 lines. It was just 2 lines. So I attached it to the net. Please be careful while you bead on your net. Normally net is fragile, so if you drag it too much it will just tear off. So this bead has 2 holes, okay? So I felt it would be good on this cloth, and this is my sand bead, the red bead. Remember they told me they want red material. In fact, they want red and a touch of silver. So I don't want to go beyond that. I don't want to overdo. You know, school things, the rules and regulations are just way too much. Yeah, so I started beading on the butterfly on the clothes. So guys, I want to ask a question. Why is it that most fashion designers, or is it only me, if they don't do their headgear or their clothes some days to the D-Day, the thing no dey gree them do? Why? I'm a victim of that too. When it comes to my personal own or my kids' own, if it's not a night to the D-Day, at times I won't do it that particular day. I can remember making the headgear I wear particular wedding day or a ceremony. I will produce it that day, that morning, and I will wear it that day. Am I the only one guilty of this? But if it comes to clients, I deliver before time, I know the door, money. But why is it that if it's on your own, you do? Please, if you are guilty of that, comment on it. Just share it on the comment section. Let me know if I'm abnormal, Abi. Do I have other people in the same train with me? Ha! Oh, imagine me beading by this time of the night. Sleep not even gree cross my eye. What I supposed to bead since? This clothes, the tailor finish tell you. But I don't know, I was doing other work. And I said that D-Day, a day to it, I shouted, Jesus, I've not done this. So, hey, my daughter was just telling me, Mommy, my gown. I said, I'll do it. It's not good. I know I will do it. Immediately when it was 9, the thing just hammered on my head. Bah! I said, Jesus, what is happening? My baby girl's clothes. We just get wear this clothes like this after spending much on this guy. I said, lie. I'll not go forehand though. So guys, can you see how it is? See, the reason why I didn't beat on the whole clothes, like the down part, was time. Sleep one hit me. In fact, I shook needle on my hand more, 100 times. Hey, let me even laugh. I use needle design my hand sleep, but I said my daughter will not be like a mad person. No, see the time, see time, see time. That was beading at midnight. My God, fashion designing is not for the weak. It is not for the weak. I tell people, they'll tell you, you are creative. I love what you do. I just, from one side, I'll be looking at them. I tell them, you like it? Can you do midnight? Can you do night work? Another thing, if you used to do night work, comment on the comment section. Let me know if I'm the only one that normally do night work. If you're also a fashion designer and at times you do night work, just say I'm in or comment there. Let me know others that normally do night work. So guys, I've started bidding on that line. Remember that line I ruled by the sides, okay? I used this bead, the sand bead, the rice bead, and the sequin bead. So I used it to get that bead, that beaded pattern on the clothes. So I had to sew it all down. You understand? Remember I told you about the down part of the gown. The reason, assuming I did it earlier, that butterfly would have full the down part and it will be finer. But my people, I cannot come and kill myself. Hey, your girl one die. I said, God help me. So this girl will not be like a mad person tomorrow morning. But really, after doing this work, I said, wow. I was like telling myself, wow, you tried, babe. Babe, you tried. So for those that want to learn beading, you want to learn how to bead on clothes, on shoes, male beaded cap, you want to learn how to write name on caps, you understand? Comment, oh, let me know if I'll create class for it. Comment if you're interested. So you can see it. I'm done with the beading pattern. Wow, we can see how it looks, guys. So whatever I did on the other side, I'll be doing it on this particular side again, and this is the final outcome. If you like this video, please, if you enjoy what I'm saying, just click on the thumbs up button, okay? Like this video, don't fail to comment and don't fail to share. Please support your girl. All right, so next thing remaining was just to this top part. See the time, 1:45 a.m. Hey, Jesus. Hey, it's well. So this remaining part, I said I cannot come and leave it this like this, so it can't be plain. I started using the rice bead and some bullets, silver bullet, to attach it down there. I told you this tutorial was not, in fact, this is not really a tutorial. I'm just showing you what I did. For those that be asking me, Ma, are you a beader? So let me prove it to you people that I bead. I bead. Like I've been a beader for ages. I just love beading. Just like Headgear come carry me, they go where I never even know. So at this time, this was 2:45 a.m., my people. At this time, I said, may I go sleep. And guys, this was the outcome. This still morning, I later beaded on the hand, and I used sequence. There's this sequence shiny applique I used to write her name. Her name is Unique. So in her clothes, you notice it, see there. It's written Unique, and you notice on top of the shoulder that there is bead there. That was the remaining work I did in the morning before my baby girl left. So thanks for staying up to this time. I love you all. Bye.